Hello guys, how to fix Windows Update error code 0xd0000034 on Windows 11 and Windows 10. And if you fail to update your Windows operating system, then here are the fixes. And the first workaround is right click on start button and choose settings. You may press Win plus I shortcut key to launch Windows settings of your system. Here from the left side, go to Windows Update, click on it, and if any error message appear here and any action required at your end, then simply fulfill this. Otherwise, go to system and choose troubleshoot from the right side. Here choose other troubleshooters, click on it, and here run the Windows Update troubleshooter in your system. Click on run button. Let the window complete the troubleshooting process. Follow on screen instruction to complete the process. It will take some times checking for pending restart, diagnose your system and etc. So wait for some times. Once completed, message will appear on your screen regarding update error. Pending system changes that require a reboot has been detected. In your case, any pending action will be visible here and fulfill them. The second workaround is again go to Windows settings. From the left side, choose privacy and security. Click on it. Thereafter choose Windows security from the right side. And here click on virus and threat protection. A new Windows security page will open. Here from the left side, choose virus and threat protection and scroll down and click on manage settings under virus and threat protection settings. Click on it and real-time protection temporarily disable one time. This is not recommended by Windows, but temporarily disable it, and once your Windows update successfully, then again don't forget to turn on real-time protection. Also, again go to virus and threat protection from the left side and choose a scan options and run a full scan of your system. Select full scan and choose scan now. After that, restart your system and check whether your Windows Update error code resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Run some Windows Update components. Go to Windows search, type cmd and open command prompt Windows as administrator mode. Click on run as administrator and in command prompt Windows black windows, execute these 4 commands one by one followed by enter key on each time. Net stop, WUAUACRP, crypt SBC, net stop bits, net stop mesh server, MSI server. Execute all these 4 commands one by one followed by enter key on each times. And after successfully execution, minimize the windows, don't close, and right click on start button and open run dialog box. You may press Win plus R shortcut key to open run command box and here execute the command as shown on screen. Simply copy it. All this command part is also available in my video's description. You may copy from there and paste it in run dialog box and press OK. In my case, license is not available. You may proceed simply with File Explorer of your system and look for software distribution folder and delete all its contents. And again, open command prompt Windows, which you have earlier minimized it, and which command you have earlier stopped it. Not now, all these commands should start. Execute all these 4 commands again one by one followed by enter key on each time. And once successfully completion of execution of these 4 commands, all services start, then don't forget to restart your system again. you must restart your Windows 11 10 system. After that, your Windows Update error code definitely be resolved. That's all.